All right, still in an uptrend, flirting around that 2100 level for the S&P E-mini. We'll see how that one plays out, but again, you still have to say that the bias is to the bull side currently because the trend is up. We haven't seen anything really break down to the downside to really give us any cause for concern as yet. NQ, same thing, it's up and continue to be up. Again, would like a little bit deeper retracement, but we'll see how this one plays out. It goes from there. The YM, Dow E-mini, pretty much layering right now on top of it. Again, it's just three bars from the high, so we just got to be very, very cautious regarding just looking at every little wiggle and making sure you're buying, as some type of support or resistance. That's usually one of the hardest things for people to do, is wait for some type of support or resistance to come in with timing. And the IWM still looks good, giving a little pullback, again, 2-bar pullback, but want to see if it could break above these highs. So you had Apple pull back okay today. Again, we just again would not buy it right now without it breaking some type of high. So again, you flirt around with these numbers right here, and let's say we adjust these now to go with the current price action. You just see that we pretty much would have to see a break of like that 120 area before we would start looking to get bearish. Amazon is continuing to grind higher, still looking good. Pattern could be explosive, so we'll see. Volume has died down a lot, but it's still going up. Baba gave you a huge engulfing pattern yesterday, but didn't do much today. So again, you have to look at maybe they're just defending this low a little bit, but again, it's broken, and I wouldn't be looking for longs at all for that. Bank of America, I actually roll my stop to break even in a little bit, so my stop is above here. If they take it out, that's fine. I have no problem with that. That's just trading. eBay actually continued to go higher, so this one looks go again. It's an overbought, but again, if we'll see how strong this one continues to the upside. You got Facebook continuing as well, still flirting around this area as well. So don't, if you're in it, that's fine, but don't just, you got to know where to put your stop. So just be careful regarding just putting it so damn close that you let them get you in if you're looking to break out, and then you roll it, and you're only giving it to like right here, where honestly, if you're looking to trade the breakout, you're gonna have to give it about a $3-4 stop. So you gotta see if that's within your risk parameters. Google is just continuing to go higher. Again, the volume's starting to wane off, so I'm expecting some type of retracement to happen with this name. But again, you don't want to say, is this bearish at all? I would not be looking at that at all to be saying regarding this name. Johnson & Johnson, I'm actually looking at maybe for a short because of what's going on with the price action. It just really hasn't done much. And if we start to break down this level right here, you can see it's right at the 50% level and testing it for the second time. So if it breaks this low, I might consider it tomorrow, depending on how the price action goes tomorrow. Especially being Friday, we don't know if they're going to kind of mess with things. But Netflix, again, still looking good. Would like a retrace a little bit less, but I like that it actually is pulling back and the volume starting to wane a little bit. Again, it's made a hell of a run, so if it could just exhaust a little bit, well, not exhaust, give me a nice retracement level so I could get back in, that would be good. You had Netflix, again, it kind of sucks if you got into this one right here because it's something similar. You're saying a higher low, and it might, again, the volume is really light, so it might just pull back a little bit, but again, you still could be in a good place regarding that name. You got Tesla. Tesla's continuing to the downside. Just would rather have a better setup, quite honestly. And I nibbled some of Twitter today. My stop is around under here, and it looks like it might stop me out. And most people, this is what they don't like. And this is probably just like the lessons learned, is people don't like to take full hits on their stop, and usually people are trading a lot bigger than they should be when they say that they're scaling. So basically people try to scale quick because maybe they're risking too much with their original stop. And the only thing I have in this stop trading firm or stock trading world that's my friend is stop. So a lot of people say, oh shit, I took a full hit and that really hurt. I mean, it's annoying. You'd rather take a break even, or if you're getting like 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, you could lock in some profits and stuff like that. My goal is 3-to-1 and better. But if you're really trying to scale just to get this thing done right, or to basically say, okay, I'd rather not risk so much, don't risk so much initially, because this happens. So again, if it stops me out, I did everything right, and that's just trading. So you kind of just take it from there. But again, you don't start to say, or don't start to, people are trading multiple contracts, and maybe you shouldn't be trading all that. Maybe you just risk 1% or 1.5% per trade and go from there, because you want to basically risk 1% to make 3, 4, 5%, and that's how you continue to grow your business. So hopefully that takes care, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. And that's it.